In this question, we have the given function, or we can say the density probability function is function one upon 24 into 1 plus 4 upon x, and x belongs to range 1, 9. Now expected value for x is e of x integration from minus infinity to plus infinity of given function x of fx dx. Now solving this equation and putting the values from the given equation, we will get integration 1 to 9 of x into, or multiplication with 1 upon 24 1 plus 4 upon x dx. Now solving this equation, we will get 1 upon 24 x square by 2 plus 4x from range 1 to 9, upper limit minus lower limit. We will do this now. So after doing this, we will get 1 upon 24 81 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 36 minus 4, and this will get converted to 1 upon 24 80 upon 2 plus 32. Now moving further, here you can see 1 upon 24 into 72. This is completely cancel out in 3 times. So from here, expected value of x square will be e to the power, or we can say e of x square, which is equals to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity. Now this time we will multiply with x square of the given function fx dx. Now solving this equation as we done from the previous, we will get here 1 upon 24 range 1 upon 9 x square into multiplication with 1 plus 4 upon x dx. Now moving further, if we solve this equation, we will get 1 upon 24 728 upon 3. This is the same procedure as we have done earlier, so there is no change. We can do 1 plus 62 here we will get. Now after equating this whole part, we will get 16 upon, or we can say 16.86. Now the variance of the and standard deviation are. Now for the variance, we have to calculate variance x. For that we need e of x square minus whole e x square. So here we will get 16.86 square, or we can say this is a square value of e of x square minus square value of 3 to the power 2. This will get converted to root 7 point, or we can say this will give the answer 7.86. Now for the standard deviation, which is denoted by SD, we will get under root variance. From that we have to calculate under root 7.86, and this will get converted to 2.80. This is our final answer, and this is our final answer for variance, and this is for final answer for standard deviation of the given question.